Well, Laurie, first points of the new season for you today. Was that the reaction you wanted from your team?
Yeah, absolutely. We have been disappointed with the last 2 weeks. We have had difficult games and stuff like that, but that is the reaction that we wanted ultimately. I think we worked well as a team, starting to put it together now, which is really good news.
How frustrated were you in that first half when you couldn't find a way through?
Yeah, I mean, it is frustrating that we couldn't find a way through in the first half, but ultimately it was about having a bit of belief and a bit of belief in the system then, and full belief in the girls to go and get the job done in the second half really.
Yeah, really proud of the performance, proud of the players. We've got a really young squad out there today, 15-year-olds playing, making a Welsh Prem debut, which is great to see. But I think where we've gone wrong in the last couple of weeks is we've been good for 45 minutes, and then today we've turned up, I think, right from the off. We've been performing at a high level, and we've put in a performance that I'm extremely proud of.
I was going to ask about that. All the goals, 4 of them, came in that second half, so you're still a bit stronger in one half than the other.
Yeah, I think the performance, for me, I think the performance level was pretty identical in the actual two halves. We created a lot in that first half, and that's what the team talk was about at half time, was just about converting the chances, because everything we were creating in terms of our game plan was in the right areas, but we just were falling short of the mark in terms of converting those chances. So we spoke about it and addressed it at half time, and thankfully we were able to put it right in the second half.
Well, Drew, after a goal-less first half, not the result you would have wanted at the end today.
No, it's not. The first half I thought we were quite complacent in certain areas. Second half I think we let ourselves down, especially in the final third in our own half as well as theirs. But it's a young team, and they try to progress through certain aspects of the game at a young age, trying to grasp the maturity of the league at the same time. We're getting there slowly, but I think over the next couple of weeks we should be okay and compete a bit more first and second half rather than just one half.
The clean sheet is massive for us today. I know that we've got the quality to score goals in this team, so it's been an area following that first 2 games that we really wanted to come here and address and make sure we get that clean sheet. So really happy with that.